Okay, so the key to mathematics is actually do math problems. Math problems. Okay, you have to do. And let's say you do math problems, you start off with problem. Okay, you have to do math problems and you start off with the first problem. Okay, once you had a problem, you have to then check your solution. Okay, and now one of two things could happen. You may be incorrect, or you may be correct. Oh, correct, we'll go this way. Correct. If you are correct, you do more problems. Okay, and then it ends up going circling back to there. Do math problems. If you are incorrect, though, you have to come along and you have to determine your mistake or your misunderstanding. And by looking at the solutions, they will help you do that. Okay, and so you're looking at this, trying to find your mistake and misunderstanding. If you are successful here, if you figure it out, that's great. Then you will either do one of two things. You will either understand what's going on. I will either understand, or you don't understand, unable to understand. That happens too, able to understand. That's part of the learning process. Sometimes it happens. Okay, if you're unable to understand, then you have to ask for help. And that may be a friend, that may be a teacher. And when you ask for help, you end up getting a new explanation. And that may help you determine your mistake or misunderstanding. If you're still unable to understand, you have to ask for help again. You have to keep asking for help, keep going through this cycle here until you can come out understanding. When you do understand, okay, when you do understand, then you fix the problem. You fix the problem and solve correctly. Okay? You also then you make note of the problem, Okay? And then 2 days later, you revisit again. And you will do that problem that you were stuck on, just that one you were stuck on. You try it again. You try that first problem again, you check your solution. If you're correct, you do more math problems. If you're correct, you do more math problems. But if you come here and you are doing that problem again, I want that to be a highlighter. If you want to do the first problem again, you check your solution. If you're still incorrect, and sometimes that happens, then again, you go through here. You determine your mistake understanding. You go down this way, unable to understand, you ask for help. Or maybe then you understand again. Okay, but you want to keep going back and doing the first problem until you can do it without assistance from anyone else. And that's actually the key to doing mathematics, is following this simple little flow chart here. And if you can do that, that should serve you well.